How to heal your broken ego after a breakup. When your partner broke up with you, bam, your ego took a massive hit, which sends you to immediate downward spiral of shame, self-blame, and pure self-destruction. Also, it's even worse if they cheated on you, monkey branched on you, or got into a new rebound relationship right after you. This is where you ask yourself questions like, what have I done wrong? Is this other partner way better than me? And you start criticizing yourself about things you've done, things you've said, things you haven't said maybe. And this is just not the way to go. You cannot ask yourself this amount of negative questions and expect a positive result. It will not happen. And this is not the way to heal. This is the way of self-destruction. Also, these questions and this line of thinking is just a dead-end thinking. It would lead you nowhere. Trust me, I've been there, I've done that, and I coach hundreds and thousands of people by now to know that this is just purely not the way, and I'm giving you the shortcut to heal not just your ego, but your heart, this is the most important thing there is. So I really hope that you're ready to get all of this wisdom in today's video, because you're about to understand many things that you just didn't understand until now, and this is why your ego is still a little bit bruised. I'm Coach Paz Goldman, your relationship and breakup coach, and the first thing that I want you to realize in order for you to truly heal your ego, heal your heart, heal your self-confidence, get your self-confidence back, your self-esteem back, is that this breakup did not happen to you, it happened for you. You gotta stop bitch and victimize yourself and say, poor me, it happened to me. I know it's sad. I know it's sad. You can see my you can see my documentary. I cried for 30 days every day. I know what it's like. And I know that being a victim is not the answer. Because once you have the victim mentality, there is no way that you can restore your ego. There is no way that you can heal. Nothing good comes out of the victim mentality. So the first thing that you must realize is to realize that, all right, I'm victimizing. And you know that you're victimizing when you ask yourself questions like, why me? It shouldn't be that way. So first of all, why you? What do you mean, why you? You're a human being. And you got a mission here on earth. I'm not going to go into all of life's purpose and our connection with the divine and all that. But you have a road that is meant for you. And this breakup is on your path. You need to understand something from it, and the pain will not leave or alleviate until you do. This is why, my friend, you have to understand, and you got to realize that it happened for you. This is a part of your path of enlightenment, and this is a part of your path of being the best version of you. So please don't victimize yourself and say to you, oh, why me? This needed to happen. And you can start looking inside and say to yourself, what is the best thing that can happen? What is the best case scenario after this breakup? Ask yourself empowering questions. This will lead you to heal. Will help you heal, because if you ask yourself self-destructive questions, you already know what's going to happen. And maybe you've tried it up until this point, so you already know that this is not the way. And I'm giving you the way. Also, if you need extra help, you can book a one-on-one call with me. I can definitely help you to figure this out just in one session to give you an exact blueprint of precisely what you need to do. Or you can get my course, The Rise of the Phoenix, the online healing coaching program that I've created for you, not just to heal your ego and heal your heart, but heal correctly after a breakup and grow. It's not just a healing program, it's also a self-growth program. And currently I'm adding more and more lessons into the program. We have live Q&A, you got a supportive community, you got everything that you need in order for you to heal and in order for you to restore not just your ego, but your self-confidence and everything. So just take this into consideration. The link in the description below. Now, the next thing that you want to do in order for you to heal correctly, heal your ego, heal your mind, heal your heart is, like I said, take the responsibility. Take the responsibility and say, what can I do now? This is a very, very constructive question when you say, this happened, what can I do now? This happened, what can I do now? This is a question that I ask myself all the time when I was healing through my breakup. I said, she cheated on me. What can I do now? What can I do now? Because you got the answers within you and you got to know where to look. This is why I'm here. I'm guiding you to where to look within you to find the answer. And when you say, okay, what can I do now? Then you come out with a plan. Then you come out with some actions that you can do. For me, I did some stuff to just heal my ego, is to understand also that her new partner is not better than me. These little things will help you. So you need to understand also, what can I do now? I said, I can also figure out who is this person. This is okay to figure out who is this person and to understand that this person is not better than you. And then you're going to realize more things and you say, oh, so people when they cheat or they rebound or they monkey wrench, they go with the first option. They're not picky. And then you understand that it's got less to do with you and more to do with your ex-partner. So you are taking the responsibility, but you understand who you used to deal with, this is also a very important component of healing your ego, because you think something is wrong with you when actually something was wrong with them. Something was wrong with the way they deal with problems in life. So whatever is your situation, you need to adapt. You need to adapt. So like I said, if it's cheating, you got to understand the mind of the cheater, monkey brancher. If it was just a normal breakup, you also got to take the responsibility and ask yourself, what is my role in this breakup? What did I contribute to this breakup? And when you take this responsibility, you take the energy back, and instead of reflecting and deflecting and blaming your ex for leaving you, you say, there was a reason, and now I'm going to figure out the reason. Once I know what the reason is, I'm going to heal, I'm going to fix it, and I'm going to be a better version of myself. And that is it. It's all about self-growth. It's all about how you're evolving. And like I already said, this happened for you, not to you, for you to grow, for you to become the best version of yourself. You have this amount of pain, and you're watching up until this point, this video, because you have pain that you need to channel. You need to alchemize this pain into beauty, into power. Instead of disempower yourself, you need to empower yourself with great questions, great state of mind, great people around you. Your surroundings are supporting you right now. They're bringing you up or bringing you down. How you generally feel. You know, there are many things to take into consideration at this point. So if your ego is broken because your ex left you, you are in control of healing. No one is in control. No one will do this work for you. No one. So when you are stop victimizing and bitching and why me? Oh my God. And I'm saying that because I was that. And I know what it's like. And I actually laughed at myself when I watched my documentary and I saw myself victimizing. Now I can laugh at myself because I see it from a different perspective, but I want to offer you this perspective right now so you don't go through this agony and pain and suffering, because pain is inevitable in a breakup, but suffering is optional. You don't have to suffer. It's not a must. You can conquer it and you can become better, or you can become bitter. It's completely up to you at this point. So you're no longer a victim. You're the victor of this breakup. You're going to take the responsibility and you're going to do whatever the fuck it takes in order for you to heal and to grow. And with that said, my friends, I'm sending you love and healing, and I will see you again in the next one. Take care.